Good afternoon, YouTuber. It's now 12 after in the afternoon on Thursday, 25th, 2018. October 25th, 2018 is a Thursday. I am trying to do some review of an air freshener for the car. This one is by Little Trees Vent Wrap, and it's this is what it looked like. And I was trying to install it, and it kind of like the wrap of it kind of like peeled off a bit, and it has the secrets in it of the smell. So this says it's vanilla aroma. It would last after 60 days. Now, from starting today, I am going to install it in a vent, which is easy to put it in right there. And there's another one right there. Now, it smells pretty good right now. All we had to do is wait and see. I will keep you updated every week and see how it smells. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe for an update. Thank you so much, YouTuber.